We're having a workshop for all of our customers where they can come and learn how to check for leaks. Leaking is one of the more common sources of, we'll say, unexpected water use. And we get lots of calls here at the district from our customers asking how they can check for leaks and what might be leaking. And so we thought this would be a great opportunity to outreach to our customers to provide an educational program on checking for leaks and how to identify them and how to resolve them.
Toilets can waste up to 700 gallons a day, which is about 1 billing unit. They are responsible for 8 out of 10 high bill calls we get. And typically toilet leaks go unnoticed, even with people who have acute hearing.
Leaks in irrigation systems are not good. They pump out tons of water when the system's going, and sometimes when the system's off, they can have continuous leaks. If you have a half a gallon a minute leak in an irrigation system, which is pretty standard, when it's not going, there's 1,440 minutes in a day, so you're talking 700, 800 gallons in one day.
I got to see the meters and the toilet. Those are two sessions I'm interested in. I'm an engineer, so I've seen that these are good for owners and so forth.
I enjoyed it. I mean, I learned a lot. Learned about the water meters and the toilets and about the rebate programs and the different devices that are available. So I'm gonna go home and test my toilets and just see because I know I have a leak somewhere. I just have to figure out where. So
It's great. It gives people an opportunity to come here. They see what's going on, maybe get some ideas on buying something new. And always there's new stuff going out there. There's no way we would learn them sitting around the house. So it's a great opportunity to do this.
This is a very, very important event. It's not just about leaks. People think it's about saving water, which is certainly an important part of it. But making sure that we're using water efficiently and wasting less water is important to the ecosystem, and it's important to the finances of the district, which benefits our ratepayers if we can be more efficient.